So I had a friend reach out to me. She has some hair that's been sitting. She took it out, and it's just been chilling. You know how it goes when you take out hair. You throw that. I can't cuss, but you throw it in a bag until you're ready to use it again. You can use hair up to a year, if not longer. It all depends on how you treat it. So, she's got a closure, a couple bundles, elastic band. She had a small elastic band. And I'm gonna reattach that. But I'm gonna get this hair back popping. I'm gonna let it bounce back. But I'm gonna use a couple tricks that I keep up my sleeve. But I am gonna show. They're very easy. It's very easy and simple and cheap. It's a quick and easy method to get your hair back popping, but also to smell good. Alright ladies, on this clip I am using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore Shampoo. It does have apple cider vinegar in it, so it really helps to get out all that product buildup, dirt and oil. This is a good product not only on your weave, but on your natural hair, ladies. Alright ladies, it's been about 25 minutes since I've been letting this soak, but I use hot water after I shampoo the hair at least about 4 or 5 times with the Shea Moisture Strength and Restore. It has apple cider vinegar in it and also some other natural products in it that really helps to get the dirt and builds up out. But when I make the hot water, I pour a whole cap full of Downy softener. Now you can use any softener that you want to use. It does help soften the hair, believe it or not, and it really does help with any odor. You know what I mean? Some of the vendors, when you first get hair, they do have a smell. She did wear this hair before, so I'm just bringing it back to life for her. But I really wanted to make sure I got all the dirt and everything and any types of smells that came along with any buildup from product. Also, I'm gonna give you a fun tip on using Downy, ladies. So let me give you the tea on this Downy situation, okay? Not only do I use Downy for, or any fabric softener for my weaves, I use it for my scarves and bonnets. Think about it. You are putting a cap, a bonnet cap or anything back on your head, scarf, and it's dirt, build up, oils all in it, and your hair gonna be funky after a while. Come on now. That's just what it is. So for my weaves, I do extremely hot water, a whole cap full of the Downy or whatever fabric softener fragrance you would like to use. For my scarves and my bonnets, after I deep clean them, I do either a cap or a half. It all depends on how many scarves and bonnets I'm doing at that time. So remember, after you thoroughly wash your, shampoo your hair, you want to let it soak in extremely hot water for at least 25 to 30 minutes in a cap full. So after I finish doing my deep clean with and deodorizer with the Downy on the hair, I shampoo it one time. That's it. I shampoo it with the daily hydration shampoo because one, the Restore shampoo by Shea Moisture, it does have apple cider, so it is going to strip that oil, not in a, you know, really harsh like a dish detergent because it doesn't have any sulfate, but you want to make sure you get all of the rest of the Downy and any other oils and dirts and buildups out. And then this is my go-to, not only on my weaves but on my natural hair. If I want to blow my hair out, this is what I'm using. This is amazing and it smells, oh my god. So I am just letting it soak for probably about 15 minutes and then I'm sorry ladies, I did not get a after video, but she sent me this picture and the hair is absolutely beautiful. I did get a chance to see her after she got it installed and she absolutely loved it. It was bouncy, it was flowy, it smelled good, and she knows she can keep that sewing in for a little bit, and she knows, you know, it's been deep clean, you know what I mean? I hope you enjoyed the tips and the tricks because I'm telling you it works every time. Okay, I hope you like this video and I'll see you in the next one.